Good morning everyone. This is Wei from Early 7 Farm. I just want to give you an update on the garden area that we made for my mother's plants and vegetable. So as you can see, she started putting her plants here. She started putting malunggay cuttings or moringa cuttings here, and she already put the flowering plants here as well. And we have put netting on the other side so the neighbor's chicken cannot go inside the enclosure. My mom also planted, I think these are lemon and calamansi. So this is dwarf lemon, I think, because it's, oh, this is, I think this is guava. This might be guava, dwarf guava, because it already has fruit. And also she has papaya here planted. So as you can see, the fence is holding up with the goats, and we have net, fine mesh net on the other side so the chickens cannot get in here. We still need to goat proof this. As I have mentioned, we're going to lay out an outer mesh of hog wire to make sure that the goats will not be able to uh, rub their body here and ruin the mesh. So we also put here steel matting for the mulberry tree. I have planted this mulberry tree last year, and the goats have always gotten into it, but now it's grown up and we need to put a layer of fencing around it, and this will help also to keep the goats out from using this side of the fence to going to my mother's garden. She can see even the geese cannot go in the garden. It is a rainy Saturday morning. As you can see in the background, it's still foggy. There's still lots of work that needs to be done, but I just want to give you an update on where we at with the fence that we built last week. If this is something that you think can help you in your farm or in your homestead, please do like, subscribe, comment, and share to your family and friends. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.